Exception handling in Java is a mechanism to handle runtime errors, which can occur during the execution of a program. It allows developers to gracefully manage unexpected situations and prevent abrupt termination of the program. Here's a simple example demonstrating exception handling. In this example, we have a divide method that divides two numbers. In the main method, we attempt to divide 10 by 0, which will throw an arithmetic exception. To handle this potential exception, we use a try-catch block. The code inside the try block is the code that might throw an exception. If an arithmetic exception occurs during the execution of the code in the try block, it is caught by the corresponding catch block, and the program continues executing from the catch block. In the catch block, we print an error message indicating division by 0. Exception handling helps prevent program crashes and allows developers to handle errors gracefully by providing alternative actions or error messages when an unexpected situation occurs. See you again. Thank you.